Hi, my name is Dave from Road & Arrows Intelligent Systems. I'm introducing our new product, RoboSight, based on an exciting emerging technology. This uses biologically inspired neural networks like our brain. It is a visual recognition system designed for robotics and industrial applications. Unlike other systems on the market, it requires no programming. RoboSight can be trained with simple push buttons to recognize complex objects. As a demo, I have 3 objects I'll be training. 2 objects are very similar. One is quite different, showing the flexibility of the system. Before I start the training, I'll describe RoboSight. It has push-button controls and an LED display, a camera that feeds into the neural network chip, and video, I2C, and serial interfaces. These can be used to integrate with robots, industrial, and embedded systems. Training can be performed in 2 ways, either standalone using the push-button controls, or for advanced applications through the serial interface. The train data can be saved on board or downloaded to a controlling system. In run mode, a match is displayed on the LEDs and is also provided through the I2C and serial ports. Now I'll show the sequence of training RoboSight to recognize the 3 objects using the push-button interface. I'll start by erasing any previous data to show how easy it is to train new objects. I'll put RoboSight in Learn mode, choose a category for ZZ Duck, and press the train button. The LED display shows that 1 neuron has been trained, and ZZ Duck is now associated with a category 1. I'll repeat the process for Mickey Duck, which trains the 2nd neuron, and I'll associate it with category 2. Finally, I'll train these ridiculous chattering teeth. Now I'll put it in run mode and show that RoboSight recognizes all 3 objects. What happens if we have a different perspective on the object and RoboSight no longer recognizes it? This isn't a problem. We can assign another neuron to the object's category. And now RoboSight will recognize it as up close and far away, still as category 3. A demo, I used only 3 categories and 4 neurons, but RoboSight is capable of remembering up to 256 categories using over 900 neurons. RoboSight is ideal for educational robotics. It's out-of-the-box compatible with several popular robots like these. In addition, it can be used with any I2C or serial-capable microcontrollers. The applications are endless.